Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it through Bluetooth. Firstly, open Settings. Now choose Connections, tap on Bluetooth and click on the switcher to activate it. Then wait for available devices to show up and tap on the one that you want to connect to. After that, select Pair and wait for this device to accept your connection request. As you can see, my devices were successfully connected, but you can always forget this connection by tapping on this gear icon next to connected device and selecting Unpair at the bottom right corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!